The Ceres Community Project epitomizes the kind of good news stories that I want to tell. I interviewed the nonprofit's communications director, Deborah Ramelli, about what this amazing organization has done in the North Bay. In addition to founding and stewarding several organic gardens locally, the project has engaged local youth to learn essential life skills about growing their food, saving seeds, and composting. Classes on-site offer hands-on experience with organic farming methods. I love visiting gardens, and when I arrived at one of the organization's gardens in Sebastopol, I was struck by how a suburban lot had been transformed into a thriving green space. In addition to several beds of vegetables, the garden featured chickens, compost piles, herbal insectary plants, innovative beehive designs, nesting boxes for birds, and lots of flowers that are harvested for bouquets for the individuals and families that the Ceres Community Project serves. I was pleasantly surprised to see all of these elements nestled into an integrated farm just off Highway 116. I'm writing a trilogy of novels right now about utopian ideals and how humans can thrive. Organic, holistic farms are real-life examples that inspire me deeply. The gardens are really a magnificent aspect of the project's offerings. They were founded to bring fresh, health-giving produce into the Ceres Project kitchens. While the project currently only produces a portion of the food needed to provide the meals that they create, they're an essential educational tool that's providing both habitat and nourishment to the land. While talking with Deborah about the org's desires, she made it clear that Ceres believes strongly that healing ourselves and the planet are symbiotic arrangements. In a very beautiful way, this org is directly giving back to the land, sharing the knowledge about how to do this in community, and creating a template for others to use in their own communities. The Ceres Community Project exists at the intersection of food rights and youth empowerment. Episode 18 of my podcast explores how this amazing nonprofit org has been founded to create a sustainable model in support of healthy community. This model has been structured in Sebastopol, but now has been shared internationally to support communities everywhere healing each other. We build healthy communities by restoring fresh, whole, and organic food to its place as the foundation of health, and by connecting people in heart-centered ways to themselves, others, and to the earth. When someone has an illness, the Ceres Community Project offers up to 6 months of meals for the individual and their household members to support the best possible health outcomes. As a farmer myself, I know how important healthy, local food is for sustaining good health. It's why I grow as much of my food as possible and have for the last 15 years. This project acknowledges both the necessity of good quality, healthy food to support healing, and the very important issue of access. Most of the people who receive meals through Ceres do so at little or no cost, depending on their financial abilities. The meals are catered to particular dietary needs, and nutrition classes are available to the recipients of the meals so that they can learn how to prepare some of the delicious and nutritious meals from the project. The kitchens are largely governed and operated by teenagers volunteering to serve the community. I find it both exceptional that the kitchen is allowed to be run by teenagers, and also very comforting that this organization has chosen to prioritize, empower, and foster opportunities for young people to be a part of the change they want to see in the world. Equitable, diverse, and inclusive, we commit to championing policies and practices of social equity that build a diverse, inclusive, and healthy workplace and food system. Heart-centered and love-guided, we are committed to expressing love, trust, respect, and integrity in our lives, work, and organization. Young people are the future. Young people are intelligent, responsible, capable, creative, and caring, and must be central participants in shaping our collective future. Everything matters. Nothing is left out. We work to have every action and choice lead to the greatest possible impact. In addition to growing and preparing life-giving foods, the Ceres Community Project has what they lovingly refer to as delivery angels that bring the meals to the house of the person in need. They believe that human interaction and kind contact are another necessary and beneficial aspect of the project. When someone isn't feeling well, to have compassionate exchange can make all the difference. I highly recommend that you tune into episode 18 of the Positive Fantastic podcast on your favorite podcast listening platform to hear more about how this project has been structured, how the model can be shared, and how you can get involved to further the mission of fostering access to health-giving foods in your community.